Hello there guys, and welcome back to from Minecraft Industrial Empire. Today we're doing part 19 of last week's episode. So the first thing we need to make is electronic circuits. So I go off camera and do that. Okay. There, wrong thing, put that there. Okay, now we do the next item. Okay, now we do the next part. Okay, now we make decoded circuit boards. And now I need to turn these into circuit boards. And okay, so we have that. Now we need to get the next items. Oh, I see what happened. Okay. And that, and then that. Okay, so we have the electronic circuits, and now what else do we need? So the next thing we need is a piston. To make that, we need an electric motor, which requires that. Okay. So I will get materials, and then I will make that in the assembler. Okay. Now that's done. Now the next step is the piston. So let me get the materials for that, and then I will do the assembly again. And the electric motor, tin cable, rod, gear. Okay, that makes the piston. Now this we need the machine hull. And that's it. So we got materials for the machine hull. Okay. So the machine casing. Now I need to go over here, and I need to get materials and make the machine hull. Yeah, that thing. Okay. That's the whole. So we have all the assembled ingredients. Now we just need the raw ingredients, so to speak, which are okay. Time to get our material. Okay, that takes care of that. Now I'm gonna do the next quest. Okay, next we're doing this quest. So I will do this and then I'll be back. Okay. So that is that quest done. Now we do the next quest. Okay, so we have this recipe. There's this recipe. Okay. Now I will make the electronic circuits. Okay. Yeah, I like that. So we have the resistors. Now we need to make the next part. Okay. We have that. Now we need to do the next thing. Okay. So we have that. Now we need to do the so now I do the next part. I just do this and not think about that. So we have that. Put that there. Okay, so we have that done. What's next? Oh, the piston. Okay. Which is all assembled over there, so let me do that next. Okay. Okay, so that's the motor. Now, how do we make a piston? Okay. Got it. So I'm gonna get materials. So we have that. Okay, now we need the next part. So let me pause and do that. Okay, put this in and this. And now we go over here to craft that into a hull. Okay, let's see here. So we have that. Now the next thing, and last for this thing, we need, well, not last, aside from these things, which I just, yeah. Okay, I got it. So let me pause and get materials, and I'll be back when I'm done. Not that, I know what I mean. Wait, no, I don't want that. I want. So we have that, and now we need the other ingredients to make the pump. So let me pause and get those. Okay. Okay, so that is everything except the raw ingredients. Or the pre-crafted ingredients, I should say, technically. So, there. Okay, now we do the next quest. Okay, for the next quest we are doing this, which is this. Okay, now there's some crafting to do. Okay, so now we just need this. Okay, let me gather more materials and then I'll make that. Okay. Okay, now we do the next quest. First, let me claim this, and then we'll do the next quest. Okay. Oh, that's not an optional task. Okay. So I need to get more materials. Okay, so we've done the quest. Now we just claim all the rewards. And then we do the next quest. Okay, so the next quest will be this one. So I'm gonna get the material, and I'll be back. Okay. So we have that. So now we do the next quest. So next we are doing this quest, which means we need to make empty cells, and I already know how to make those. Okay, and assembly. And now, wait, I think I'm gonna pause while this is happening because this is gonna take a while. I'm doing more than one batch anyway. Okay, so put that there. That becomes empty cells. And we pause again. That looks to be all the time we have for today. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Like and subscribe for more great content, and goodbye.